What you saying, people? This is the Money Management, back with a bang, back here with another video for you guys today. Now in today's video I'm going to be talking about 3 different types of income. Now the reason I'm going to do this is because you guys probably have 1 or maybe 2 or maybe even all 3 of these kinds of income, but without knowing what they actually are to you. So not only do I want to guide you and explain to you guys what kind of income exists, but I also want to just explain a little bit about how you can make each type of income, what you can do to get those kind of incomes, which one is, might be suited to you, what best suited to you, what you already have, and of course what kind of income you may want. As always, please let me know what kind of income you guys already have. Just drop it in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on the video. Comment what you'd like to have, what you may have, what may be best suited to you, all those different kind of things. But add to that, make sure you're leaving thumbs up on these videos. Drop a like. Please also make sure to subscribe if you're new around here. Hit that red button below. It costs you absolutely nothing. It will not touch your income at all. Also, if you are new around here and you have not shared these videos with your friends before, please make sure to share these videos with your friends. So now let's dive into those different types of income. So when it comes to your income, some income requires your time. Some, it requires you to be present. Some income, requires you to put money into it. Income is different in many different forms. But the first type of income I want to talk about is active income. So active income is one that requires your time. Active income is probably one most known to you guys, when it comes to working, making money. Active income is pretty much the most common. Active income literally is you working for money. So you get a direct payment, you exchange your time for money, you go to a job, for example, 9 to 5, you go, maybe whatever you have on the weekends, you purely get paid based on the time you put in. So like I said, active income is mainly known to everyone. If you're gonna get a first job, you might be in your teens, maybe your early 20s, your first job is definitely, more than likely gonna be active income. Again, you sign up at a place, you exchange your time for money, you get paid, directly every 2 weeks, every month, whatever it may be. And again, like I said, it requires you to work and be physically doing something so you can receive your money. I definitely say active income is a good way to get started. If you've never made money before, active income is definitely a good way to get started. Do a little job, learn some skills, go to a supermarket, go to work in retail, maybe work at a factory, work mowing lawns, washing windows, doing something so you get paid. You're putting your time in each and every hour, you're getting paid a certain amount. Each and every day, you're getting paid a certain amount. Each and every week, a certain amount. Each and every month, a certain amount. And to be honest, it's pretty standard, it's pretty linear. So again, you might not know it as active income, but most of you guys out there have done a form of active income. I'm pretty sure 99% of you guys have done a form of active income to make money. And again, this is what's most common to most people in the world. Active income is a great way of making money, but of course it requires you to be there. So, when you're ill, when you're sick, when you're going on holiday, you're probably not getting paid because you're not obviously working, you're not obviously doing something, you're not obviously putting in time to receive your money. But like I said, active income is the first type of income that I'm going to discuss today. Now the second type of income I'm going to discuss today is passive income. So here, yes, you do get paid passively. Everyone always loves to talk about passive income. You get paid passively, yes. But people don't say that it requires your upfront time. So passive income does require your time before the money comes. So it might, require you to put in hours and hours on your laptop. It might require you to put in hours building up a system, setting up something automatic so you eventually get paid. The thing about passive income is you get paid passively after the work is done. So whereas active income, you're putting in hours and you get paid, put in more hours to get more paid. Passive income, you can put in many hours and then not get paid. Eventually, you'll suddenly see results start to come. You put in the work up front and eventually the results start to come. So what are some forms of passive income? Passive income can come in the form of a business. For example, I have a smartwatch company, TimeGear Watches, as you guys know. I could put in many hours to run ads, to set up a website, to get people to promote my product. And I can stop doing that for a few weeks. And maybe those other people are doing stuff, the ads are working and I'm getting paid off it. Same with YouTube, for example. You make YouTube videos and it doesn't matter if you made them in 2010, 2020. Let's say by the year 2030, people are still watching those videos. They get 500k views, a million views, whatever it may be, and you're getting paid for what people are watching. That is passive income. You're not really doing anything, but you definitely put in work up front. When it comes to the business, you put in work up front. You spend a lot of hours building your website, spend a lot of hours, learning ads, running the ads. Same with YouTube. You spend a lot of hours making the video, editing clips, recording the video. But you did all that work up front, you're no longer doing work, and now you're getting paid for it. So it does sound quite nice, but a lot of people do miss out the fact that passive income does require your time up front. So you will get paid passively, but like I said, overall you put in time before and you get paid afterwards. I'm a great fan of passive income, as you guys know. If you guys have been around this channel a lot, I've mentioned passive income many times. It's one of the best feelings, especially when you put in the work, you put in the hours and eventually see the results come in, the money coming in, and you're quite happy. It's a great thing, it's a great feeling. But passive income doesn't always require money, but it does require time up front. It doesn't always make you money, but if you do well enough, if you have a plan set in place and you do the right things, you execute on that plan, a lot of the time you will not get paid up front, sure, but eventually you start to get paid passively, which is very nice. Now the third type of income, portfolio income. Portfolio income definitely requires some money investment up front. Portfolio income, you get paid from dividends, interest, compound interest, capital gains, royalties. Portfolio income, again, is really money based. Now the good thing is, here is where money is working for you. The bad thing here is, it includes risk. And a lot of time it's high risk. So for those of you who are stock investors, who invest in dividend stocks or invest in growth stocks, either way, this is portfolio income. It requires you to invest money up front for you to see returns. So you might put in some money into a stock. it might grow, gain 10%, 12% return each and every year. You might put money into stock and it pays a monthly dividend of, 65 cents for each and every share you have. But the problem here is, there's always a potential that, that company slashes their dividend, that company cuts their dividend, that company starts to pay out a quarterly dividend instead of a monthly dividend. Or if you invest in growth stocks, that company doesn't, grow 10 times, 15 times in the next 30, 40 years. That company doesn't bring you a 10%, 12% return each and every year. Now let's say you purchase the stock for $15 per share. Here's the problem. You might purchase it $15 a share, 1 year later, 2 years later, it might only be worth $10 a share. And in this case, you've lost money. Yes, of course, investing, people love to use investing as a way to make money with money. But what they don't mention is this includes risk, like I said. Yes, you can get paid from interest, you can get paid from compound interest, you can get paid from capital gains, royalties, but you can also lose money from all of this. That's why it's a difficult game, because not only can you lose money, but originally it costs you to, invest. It requires money for you to invest. So like I said, this income is more for people who have done their research, who have put in a lot of time and effort to learning before they use their money to make money. When it comes to active income, you're putting in your time. When you're ill, you can't get paid. When it comes to passive income, there's no guarantee that you see results, but you put in time up front. When it comes to portfolio income, you put in the money, you put in the research, you put in the time, and there's still no guarantee that you get paid. But when you do get paid, it's also sort of a form of passive income, because you're getting paid without doing anything. But like I said, again, you've put in the time up front. Investments, when it comes to dividend stocks, like I said again, you can get paid each and every month without having to do a single thing. But it's from your portfolio. When it comes to the growth stocks, you can get paid, you can leave with more money than you put in. Because again, you've done your research, those stocks have gained value, increased in price, and that's all what you're looking for. So we have passive income, we have portfolio income, we have active income. So for those of you who are thinking, what you're in, what you might want to do, what you want to do going forward, this is what I'll say. Use your active income, get a 9 to 5, get a job which is going to pay you consistently. Use that money and start finding ways you can start creating passive income for yourself. When eventually you start making that passive income, start taking out some money and start investing that into portfolio income so you can get some money that way. Now for me, when I look at these 3 ways of getting paid, my preferred way of getting paid is passive income. My second preferred way of getting paid is portfolio income. My third is active income. But currently, I would definitely say for those of you who are beginners, new to the game, focus more on active income, because that is where you can start saving money. That's where you're going to get paid each and every week, each and every month, whatever it may be, and it's going to come in no matter what happens. But just like I mentioned, portfolio income is great because you can see your money that you put in, $1,000, $2,000 become $50,000 over a period of 5-10 years. It's very possible. For example, if you guys don't know of AMD stock, go check out how much that was valued in 2015 and check out how much it's valued now. If you put in a simple $1,000 in 2015, I don't even know how much it would be worth right now, but it would be worth well over 6 figures. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Stocks that you purchase for $5, $10 can easily become, $30 stock, $40 stock, $100 stocks within a few years. So those of you who are investing, when you're putting in money into stocks, keep that in mind. People invest for different reasons. People invest in growth stocks, people invest in dividend stocks, whether they want to get paid quarterly, whether they're trying to increase the value of their money, or whether they're simply trying to increase the value of their portfolio over a period of time. But like I said, portfolio income does require that, money risk up front, so it will cost you, but it definitely is rewarding if you get it right. As always, there's always definitely some risk there. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme or something like that. It's a way of using your money to make more money, which is what everyone loves to talk about. You guys may know or may not know already, I'm a huge fan of passive income and I'm a huge fan of portfolio income. I'm not a huge fan of active income because I'm kind of worried, if you're ill, you're sick, you have to go on vacation, you have to visit someone, you're not going to get paid. And that's kind of worried because we need to always constantly get paid. But of course, if you're new to the game, if you're new to making money, active income is definitely the way to go. Don't skip steps, don't get fooled by the internet. People always talking about passive income. If you need to make active income, don't be ashamed of it. Working for money, putting in time to get money on your weekends, whatever you do, that's fine. That's perfectly fine. Nothing wrong with that. But like I said, remember those times in the future when you might be ill, you might need to go on holidays, you might need to take a vacation, you might need a break, and you still want to be getting paid during those kind of times. That's what portfolio income is there. That's what passive income is there. But like I've told you guys many times, there are many possibilities out there. You just have to take it one step at a time. My aim with this channel is, of course, to help you guys become better each and every day. Make more money, become more financially aware, be more control of your time, focused on what you can do to increase your wealth, to increase your net worth, to put yourself on the right path to your financial goals. And I hope I've done that somewhat by explaining 3 different types of income in today's video. So please be sure to let me know in the comment section below what kind of income you already have, what kind of income you may be looking to get, what kind of income you prefer, all that kind of stuff. Those of you who are stock investors, let me know what you're looking at, what you invest for, dividends, capital gains, growth stocks, whatever it may be. Overall, I hope you guys have a great day. Keep being focused, stay on the right path. Also check out the other videos on this channel. If you've not seen yesterday's video, please make sure to go and check that one out again. Leave me some feedback. And if you don't already, please make sure you guys are back here tomorrow for another video, because I will be back here with another video as always. But that's for this, you guys. Thanks a lot for watching. I got into making, you got income video getting. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.